Hi everyone, this is Group 8 Researcher Docs, and I'm Hitesh, and my teammates are Jay Prakash, Madhu, Mahidher, Ashishwi. This is our presentation about image recognition development using libraries in AI, that is artificial intelligence. These are the contents of our presentation. My part of the presentation is introduction, and AI technology is being used in many industries like business fields, and such as the algorithm identification to assist police apprehending offenders and intelligent robots to address the issues regarding the medical sector. The improvement of automatic recognition, algorithm technology, and visual interference design is always the central and crucial steps in the design and optimization of AI for domestic robots. The phase automatic recognition algorithm optimization refers to the understanding that timely addition of a new algorithm to the artificial intelligence framework is possible by synthesizing departments or all programs. The technology has advanced in ways that make it easier to identify photos in moving traffic. While there are many persons in an image and the various degrees of security, we employ a variety of Python libraries, including NumPy, the Being Image Downloader, Matplotlib, and others, as well as machine learning and its features, including the support vector machine, to present a novel method for picture recognition utilizing Python, AI, and its libraries. The introduction of an image recognition strategy based on knowledge of image features sets it apart from traditional image methods, which demands extensive knowledge of training set image in terms of each image dimensions and what kind of image they most resemble. Face recognition technology. This technology uses a combination of pupil size and prominent face features to identify items. The method is comparatively accurate as well. It has been widely used in recent years and is also in the stage of rapid development in the future years. My friend Ashish will continue the next slide.
Yeah, thank you, Hitesh. Today I want to explain about problem and motivation topics. So, in the advanced world, the prosperity of utilities is huge. In the setting of metropolitan networks and their survey limits are ending up being more critical in the structure. They have formed into an instrument to deal with the idea of items and assurance of the safeguard action of workplaces. And fundamental occupation is relevant upon the precision of test procedure, assurance, and the steadiness of experimental outcomes. On the chance that our area staff simply rely upon their own vision to notice and expect to collect a few significant pieces of information during the acknowledgement. For instance, roads and platforms, a lot of close to home components will be brought into designation proof cycle in the view of human commitment, which will finally provoke the revelation of idea of workplaces being uncertain. Modified idea and idea of pictures of people can construct the precision and security of office revelation, save work and work supply, and advance social benefits according to the introduction of PCs. The various utilizations of artificial intelligence have been demonstrated for efficient modern areas, military areas, logic areas, scholarly, and exploration associations. Intelligence applications and their utilities will be expanded step by step in numerous IT-based instructive foundations, which are contributing man-made intelligence-related recording data on their simulated intelligence innovation. And utilities in different regions or subject fields. Image technology is a general term for different image-related advancements. And with the advance of computer innovation, further exploration of image innovation is from speculations of brain organizations and man-made reasoning. Image handling incorporates image pressure and image encoding, image division, and so on. And the motivation behind handling the image is to dedicate if the image has the required data and channel of the commotion and decide the data. Normal techniques incorporate grayscale, binarization, honing, denoising, and so on. Image acknowledgement to match the handled image, and the classification name is not entirely set in stone. Image acknowledgement can be extracted on the premises of division. On the coming slide, we can explain my teammate Madhu.
Yeah, thanks, Ashwi. So this is Venu Madhavi, and I'm here to explain about some background of image processing. So usually AI and machine learning is a key and basic issue in the field of image handling, particularly in the field of enormous image handling. AI strategies can be from complex information. The fundamental highlights of the image are isolated, so that image acknowledgement can be sensibly applied in different ventures and fields. Image handling innovation, considering AI, has been broadly utilized in image arrangement, division, and acknowledgement. It is a focal point of endlessly research in different fields. Be that as it may, because of the intricacy of image circulation and different application foundations, the improvement of image categorization has turned into the concentration and trouble. Hence, how to further develop the order technique to further develop the characterization, exactness, and grouping impact of the image of the ground object is an extremely significant and troublesome examination subject. With the advancement of AI and the presentation and improvement of different AI calculations, AI is of the extraordinary importance to different application fields in human existence, particularly with the quick advancement of present day innovation and the use of video images in different fields of life. AI is especially significant for the handling of video images. Image acknowledgement is generally utilized in rush hour gridlock field. In rush hour gridlock development, image acknowledgement innovation is basically utilized in smart transportation framework. Vehicle data recognition has significantly advanced in the improvement of the transportation modernization. So let us go through some literature review for the image recognition that will be continued by Mahidar.
Mahidar, unmute, please.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Madhu, for forwarding me. This is the topic of literature. The related literature was carried out literally following by the guidelines as suggested in a structured and rigorous procedure was followed to do a representative literature review where the most relative and recent articles containing detailed analysis of the current single image processing and image pixels methods were studied. Only peer-reviewed articles from reputed journals that had a considerable number of citations were selected to ensure the quality of the articles review. Care was taken to select articles that were recent, that is, not older than the year of 2010, and all the important keywords and their synonyms were searched in all possible combinations to make certain that two important articles was left out. The search for articles continued until no new concepts could be found. The search for journal articles was done in multiple phases. In the first phase, the top journals and the journal database that would be searched were identified. Suggestions from the top journals and database were considered. The journal database Elivo IEEE Asia. The next slide is going to continue by my friend Jay Prakash, that methodology.
Thank you, Mahidar. And today I'm explaining about methodology. And in this, images can be recognized thanks to image recognition algorithms. And in this section, we will look at how to create an artificial intelligence system for image recognition. The first step in the procedure is gathering and organizing the raw data. And computers view every image and as either as prep or a vector image. Hence, they are unable to disconnect between various image types. Raster image add bitmaps where the individual pixels that makes up a picture are organized into a grid. Continentally, vector images a collection of polygons with descriptions of the various colors. To organize the data, classify each image and extract its physical characteristics. This phase transforms a geometrical encoding of the photo into labs that really describes the image. Then these labs are examined by the software, therefore collection and arguing the data correctly. essential for guiding the models. And such, since if the data quality is aggregated at this point, and the model will not be able to detect the patterns later on. And the next slide, we have to see the pictures and the prototype, and we have the content of it and prototype based on image classification. And we have the another image. And this is also a prototype based classification image. And the next slide, this is the contribution of our team, Hitesh, Ashashvi, Ravi, Madhu, Mahidhar, and me. And the final slide. Yeah, these are the references. And thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys. So this is our contribution towards image recognition system. Yeah, thank you for all your support.
Thank you.